simplify as a single fraction 2 over x minus 3 minus 1 over x minus 3 squared. Okay, so this is power once and this is power twice, right? So x minus 3 times x minus 3 is what it means. So let's look at how we can solve this. So the first fraction I'm just copying down. What is the meaning of x minus 3 squared? X minus 3 squared means x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 3 again. That's why the power 2, right? Square. Now, if you look at the first fraction, there's only a x minus 3. Okay, but in the second bracket, there are a couple of x minus 3s, right? So in order to make them to have the same denominator, we need to multiply the denominator and the numerator of the first fraction by a x minus 3 and another x minus 3 again, right? So we're going to put a x minus 3 for the denominator just to make sure that both the denominators are alike. So if you multiply the denominator with the x minus 3, we're going to multiply the numerator also by the same number, which is x minus 3. So therefore now the fraction becomes, the denominator is x minus 3 times x minus 3. For this denominator is also the same, x minus 3, but the numerator just remains as a 1, right? Now the next step, we are going to expand out this numerator, right? So let's copy the denominators first because they are already the same. So 2 times the x, we're going to expand this bracket. 2 times the x is going to become 2x. And then we got a positive 2 times a negative 3. Positive times negative is of course going to become negative. 2 times a 3 is going to become 6. So negative 6. 2x minus 6. Then you got a minus and then 1 over this fraction. Okay. So now we know that the denominators are equal. So we're going to combine the numerators together. So how we do that? So we can just put the minus 1 together just like that. Okay. Now we have got 2x and there's a minus 6 and a minus 1. Both of them are numbers. We can simplify it further. So minus 6 and another minus 1 is all together become minus 6 minus 1 is total of minus 7. So your numerator simplifies to become 2x minus 7. Your denominator is simply x minus 3 times x minus 3, but of course none of them is the answer. So x minus 3, we can just write it as a square of x minus 3. So x minus 3 squared is the denominator and 2x minus 7 is the numerator, and that makes option B as the correct option.